Hey guys, Skip here. Just going over the last couple of steps here before we get to Maiden this thing if the ice melts. It's about 20 degrees out now. It's still cold. The wind at least kind of seems to have calmed down a bit. We'll see what this afternoon brings. Anyway, she's done. She's ready. All I've got to do is put some tape on some wires and tuck it in underneath a little bit better. Kind of waterproof things a little bit, but I've got all the connections done. I've got all the lights on. Oh, we don't have the landing strip flashing correctly here. Hold on a second here. I got a little switch down here. I got to attach this one too. It's in a bad spot right now. Let's see. We got a couple different patterns here we could do. There's the one we're looking for. So this is the first time I'm seeing this, guys. This is fresh and raw with me. I did test each individual lamp before I went ahead and put it in. I spent so much time on those two up there, and unfortunately, two modules later, ordered two different ones, two separate ones. They're both dead on the same bank. And I've tested the LEDs. The LEDs are fine. And two different sets of LEDs. I mean, I've used them both. But there's no way of getting those things going unless I do something else weird. So I'm going to have to live without them. I'll just fill that in right now. And then who cares, right? I put an amber strip there. That's a nice caution area, Redway, down here. And then everything else is working pretty good. And here I've got the Power Hobby 5200 50C. It's just a 3S battery, 11.1 volt. And I've got the little voltage meter down here. It just tells me my receiver voltage and next to the receiver. And then the wiring and stuff going here. And all the wiring stuff here, I use that expandable fabric. It's like a weaved, it's kind of like the Chinese finger traps material. But it stretches, it opens up wide, and then when you put it around the wires, it closes up. And it's pretty tough stuff. Organizes it nicely. So I can live with that mess there. Besides, I'll paint it up maybe to match. I haven't painted the LEDs like I did the front here yet. I don't know if I'm going to. Don't know that I really need to. It looks pretty cool like this, and it's not too bad with the things off. So we got to see everything working here. Yeah. And front one, I hope. Let's see here. Yep. Got that one up there. I took the net off, guys. The net was not it just looked terrible. I've got to come up with something better. In fact, I might even go with one of the suggestions that one of the gentlemen out there said, are you going to go with the lines out there? And I'm thinking, I could do that with some wooden dowel pegs in about 3 or 4 positions, raise up a little line just high enough to go over the wheels on an incoming microplane. And at the end of each line, maybe have a little tiny spring or a rubber band, a little piece of rubber band there, to absorb a little tension, and it'll stop it, knock it back. The rest of it's going to kind of keep it in place anyway. So let's see, what else did I forget? Oh, I've got our winch going over here. That would be down, and then that's up. I'll give you a little view from this side. We'll close this up. Yeah, we got the little winch here. Of course, I forgot the radio. Helps to use the radio, doesn't it? And you can slow it. That's the cool part about using the rudder on this one is, or a switch here, is that you can speed it up, slow it down. Same way as if you had a knob to turn it with, or a slider. This radio doesn't have any of those. It's a cheapie. But I wanted to have a separate radio with the boat, just in case I'm flying and somebody else is driving the boat. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this mini-series here. It was really a lot of fun to do. And I guess we'll catch you later. Take care. Have a good day.